Hello, welcome to Engineering Simple Structures. I'm Conrad. Have you ever built a snow fort or a tree fort? Maybe you've made a sandcastle or built a tower by stacking cans. If you've done any of these things, you know there's a lot more to building big and strong than just using more stuff. You can't just shovel on more snow or hammer on more wood. You have to think carefully about the materials you're using and the shapes you're making. That's engineering, and that's what this mission is about. Throughout the course of these projects, you'll build a crane, a bridge, a 20-sided ball, a tower. They'll all be strong, they'll all support weight, and they'll all resist the forces that try to make them fall apart. We'll learn more about these forces, called stresses, and we'll see how gravity affects everything we build. Throughout, you'll get a chance to show off your creativity, top up your math skills, and put your engineering sense through its paces. Let's get building.